It's 5:30 a.m. September 25. I'm heading towards Charikot Dolakha from Kathmandu. To get to Charikot, you can get an EV ticket, minivan from Jaribati Kathmandu. You will get a ticket like this. If you wanna get a ticket, you can call to this number. But at this point, it's Dasai rush, so it's hard to get a seat. Other than the EV van, you can get a bus as well. I heard there's no available seat on the bus, so I decided to get a EV ticket. The EV van will be similar to this one, just like this one.